Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this problem. So this is in a mixed fraction. So now let us make it to improper one first. So that will be, this will be 40 plus 5, that will be 45 by 8 divided by 42 plus 3, that is 45 by 7. So here off means this will be multiplication. This will be 66 plus 7, that is going to be 73 by 11 divided by, this is 72 plus 1, that is 73 by 8 divided by 8 by 9, this is 22 plus 3, that is 25 by 11 plus 13 by 22 into 3 by 5, that is off means 3 by 5. So this will be off means this is multiplication, multiply by 3 by 5. So now here we can do this part, we can write this part as 45 by 8, that is in the numerator, and this is in the denominator. So we can flip over the denominator, this one, that will be 7 by 45. Again the same here, we can write this part as 73 by 11 into, this will get flip over. So that is going to be 8 by 73. Now let us keep this part first as it is, 8 by 9. So here, what are we going to do here? The bracket. So the LCM here is, this is 2. So that will be 50 plus 13 by 22 into 3 by 5. So this will get cancelled. So this is going to be 7 by 8 into 8 by 11. And this is divided by, we'll keep this here, this will be 63 by 22 into 3 by 5. So here now again we'll keep as it is. So here, or we can do this one. This is going to be 7 by 11 divided by, so 9 sevens are 63. So this is going to be, again we can also simplify here. 4, 2 fours are and 2 elevens are. So this will be 28 by 11 into 3 by 5. So now what will happen here? This is be 7 by 11 divided by, so here 28 threes are, so that is going to be 84 by 55. So here 84 by 55. So now the left hand side 7 by 11 will be as it is. The right hand side, because now we will change this sign, division becomes multiplication, and this is going to get flip over. So that is going to be 55 by 84. So 11 ones are 11 fives are. So here 7 ones are 7, here 12s are. So the answer is 5 by 12. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.